What's going on, YouTube? Lean here. So today I come to you talking about Rent Reporters. It's a new company out. Actually, they're not new. Actually, I've seen older YouTube videos like 3 years ago, 2 years ago. Nothing recent where somebody actually went through the process of doing the Rent Reporters, and I think this is a great idea. Where if you pay the subscription fee and the monthly fee, they will backdate your address where you're already paying rent back to 2 years. So that'll help build your credit history. It can help rebuild your credit, and it help you establish credit as well. And actually, I'll advertise that on their website. And right now, they're currently only reporting to Equifax and TransUnion, and they're working on getting with Experian. I spoke with a representative, and they said they're not sure how long that's going to take, but it is in the process. So they claim that within 10 days, your credit score can possibly go up 40 to 55 points, which is a major staple in your credit, especially if you're trying to buy a home and you're at like that 700 score and you want to get a conventional loan, which you have to have a 720 credit score to get. That can help you boost and move you over to the top and help you qualify to get a home loan, the one that you want. So with that being said, I'm going to go through the process that I've taken so far because I signed up recently over the weekend. So I'm not going to count those 2 weekend days. I'm going to do 10 business days because it doesn't say 10 business days. It says 10 days. But I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt and give them 10 business days to report it and see how much it does increase my score. I'm going to tell you my credit scores and everything. So first, the pricing. The sign up is $94.95. That's just going on the website. To even create an account is $94.95, and then also it's $9.95 monthly. So technically, that'll be charged together. What they do offer is they allow you to try to link your bank account to help verify that you're making your rent payments, and I guess it'll go through your account and see where the money came out of your account, and that'll actually help speed up the process. That's what it says on the website. So as far as refunds go, they do give refunds, and I did my research on both, and it says that they offer refunds within 48 hours of it reporting on your credit report, and you are not satisfied with what the credit jump is on your credit score, on your credit report for TransUnion and Equifax. If you're not satisfied, if it only goes up 20 points, 25 points, if that's not to your liking, they say that they will give you a refund. Now, whether they refund the whole $94.95 plus the $9.95, I could never get a clear answer either from a rep, and then from our own research, I did go on BBB and I did see that people were saying that they wasn't satisfied, and Rent Reporters went on there and they said that they gave them a refund back. They just have to give them time for it to post to their account. So I mean, I see that they're trying to have good customer service. So when you sign up, you'll need to have your rental address, your move-in and out date, your rental amount, and your landlord's contact information. If you're still living there, you don't necessarily have to put a move-in out date. They'll just calculate it within the 2 years. So right now, they verified my address, they verified my landlord, and how they verify your landlord is your landlord has to submit either a tax property statement or a homeowner's insurance statement, something saying that the person you're saying owns the home actually owns the home and shows documentation, which that should be easy. I only see this becoming a problem if you live in like a huge apartment complex, and of course you have the landlord managers or the property managers there. Sometimes they have to go up higher to even agree to do it. So that's the only way I see that being a problem. Because I do have a friend that came into that problem where they went to the property manager. The property manager went to, I guess, the people above them, and they said no, they cannot do it. And then they verify your payments. You can submit an invoice, like I said, or link your bank account. I actually did both. I think that may help maybe speed me up faster. So right now I've done all three. When I logged in today, it had my TransUnion linked into the actual website, and it gave me my score, which I already know because I have Credit Karma. It's a 667, and then Equifax is a 673. So with that being said, I'm gonna start it from yesterday and give it like maybe another 5 days or 7 days, business days, to see when is it gonna start reporting. So this is gonna be my part 1 video. My part 2 video is gonna be, okay, how much did it go up? Is there is there anything negative I have to say about them? I have talked to a few representatives. They have a live chat on their website, and it's pretty good. I like it. You don't sometimes you don't want to call them and be waiting on hold and stuff. So I think their company is small because when I called, I think I spoke to the same person 2 times. So that's like, what are the odds of that? And I think they're based out of California. So until I have an update, you guys leave a comment below if you want me to ask them anything. If you want to ask me anything, I mean, so far the process to me has been easy. I did have to call just because I wanted to make sure that it did go by fast and it's within the 10 days. So I did call a couple times, and I was kind of curious, so I asked a couple questions. So with that being said, you guys leave a comment below if you have any questions again. All right, you guys have a great day.